Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word accumulation, its meaning, definition and the example. Accumulation. The definition of accumulation is the acquisition or gradual gathering of something. The synonyms of accumulation are collection, build-up, gathering, deposition. Now let me show the example of accumulation. Word in sentences are: the accumulation of facts does not in itself constitute science. This accumulation of fat should be addressed through diet and exercise. The eyes should be clear of any major accumulation, as should the ears. Predicting snowfall accumulation can be as reliable as a roll of the dice. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.